Now, back to our musical main event. Prepare your eardrums because we're about to dive deep into JBL Wave Flex unboxing magic. Cue the music and let's groove on with MrYouWho.
When you're too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the unboxing of JBL Wave Flex. As you can see here are the earbuds. Now this is part of the Wave range as we spoke about, which is JBL's entry-level range. You're going to find out why these really pack a lot more punch than you would think. So let's take a look and take out the earbud case to start with. So there we are. So JBL case again, it's got the pebble case as well, which you guys are used to. So let's go and take a look. Now these use the open stick design for the earbuds. So go back to the case in one moment and take a look at the earbuds closely. So open stick design means they don't have the plastic thing at the back. So just sit on your ears like this. Again, these are great designs and allows the music to channel directly into your earbuds through that little speaker there, which is really nice. Now they've got 8 hours of battery life in each earbud if you're using them without noise cancelling. And you're getting another 24 hours in the case, which is excellent, really, really good. Now these come with 12mm drives as well, which is quite high for earbuds. That means you're getting some very, very high quality audio and some really punchy music as well. We're going to test out the music later to show you guys how that works, but it works really well. We're going to test out the comfort too, so you can see that in there. Again, magnetic case, so as you can see, it doesn't pop out when you put it in there. They're water and dust resistant too, which I think is absolutely fantastic. What else do you get in the box? Well, you get the instruction booklet, the quick start guide, pretty standard for JBL products, and you also get the charging cable in there as well, and other wingtips to use, but I'll put those to the side. Don't really care too much about that at the moment. And there's the earbud there as well. So they come with IP54 rating as well, so water and dust resistant. You can also customize these through the JBL app, which obviously we'll show you guys soon. And the great thing is 10 minutes of charging here gives you 2 hours of battery life, so works very, very well. You can see there, while it's a budget entrant into the marketplace, what you're getting, below $100, and it's also a red dot winner as well. So that means it actually won an award for audio too. So guys, lovely little earbuds, fit well, great case, great size, and a ton of features. So now I hope you guys love the unboxing there of the JBL Wave Flex earbuds. See, these might be easy on the wallet, but they certainly don't skimp on quality. These earbuds are part of the JBL Wave range, which we've discussed in a previous video. As you can see here, it's a video choose the right earbuds. So Wave are their entry-level earbud range, but with these you're packing a heap of features, quite incredible. So